The Mustang was introduced in 1965, and 65 to 66 the same body style, and then in 67 they changed the body style, more aggressive. The classic Mustang everyone is kind of looking for, the bullet Mustangs and all that. 69 they beefed out the car. I like the 69 to 70, and then in 71 I don't know what they did. Everything kind of just sleeked out. The front just had the buggy eyes and everything. It's just not a Mustang most people would say is the prettiest Mustang. So I'm gonna fix that. I have an idea to fix that, and I know it's gonna look great. So let's do it. Here we have a 1971 Mustang top view. As you can see, it's kind of weak. So I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna make the rear and front fenders wider, a lot wider, like 4 to 5 inches wider. I'm gonna do several cuts here, and then I'm gonna bend it out like this, and then go back in again on both sides. And on the rear, I'm gonna do the same, bend it out and go back in again. So I get this kind of whole Coke bottle shape. I want a real track car look, so what I'm gonna do is add side skirts that extend out below the door and kind of connect these two front and rear fenders together. Cool, right? So stay with me while I fix this ugly mess of a Mustang that they should have done right from the beginning. Well, right, like, subscribe, all that stuff, comment below. Let's go. So next step is to make this wider, wide ass. And front, wide body, yes, there we go. Make some cuts in the rear quarter, extend it out like 5 inches.
5 inches, but it's thick.
Or something. Around the wheelhouses, and the same in the front. I've never done this before, so it's gonna be interesting. I've done some widening. I need to get the wheelhouse out more. I'm aiming for 10 centimeters. And I'm just at about 5. But I'm at 10 centimeters at the top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue this line all the way, aiming for 10. I'm gonna bring it out a little bit more here, and then bring it back in before the door.
One eternity later.
I think I kind of have it where I want it. Wide as hell. Door is overlapping the quarter. So I'm gonna make a cut here. See if we can bang this back a bit.
A harmony of mathematical precision.
I just need to cut it down so I get this kind of angle on it. So I'm just gonna cut it a little by little until I know where I'm at. I kind of finished up the rear. I still need to fully weld it and also do the lower corners. But I'm going to leave that for now. And I'm going to do the front fender so I have the full shape before I weld everything in. So let's start cutting. I think this is clean enough. I don't really see any, not that many wobbles at least. So I'm just gonna cut out this entire piece because it's just too rusted to even try and patch. I couldn't get that whole big thing into the small tiny English wheel, and also I couldn't really get this curve while also having this curve without bending and buckling the whole thing. I'm gonna split it into, I think it's gonna be one section here and then perhaps like two sections which are smaller and easier to work with so I can get this curve. It's not gonna be a show car, for f***'s sake. Now to fully weld it. See you in about forever. So, now I finished up the whole wide body on the side. Brilliant. Damn! That's a fat ass. Oh yes. Dance. Still got some stitch shit to do, but fuck it. So now I'm gonna make a side skirt. So I basically want something to connect this to the rear, and I want this to go out a bit more. So I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna make some custom shit, fancy shit. I don't know. I'm just gonna make some. I'm gonna find a good spot for it, but let's say it's gonna be like this, and then I'm gonna have angle irons going out, connecting to here all the way, and then on the bottom connecting to the bottom side of the rocker, and then I'm just gonna do blind nuts or whatever they're called, so I can attach it straight to the rocker. Yeah, let's go. not gonna use this section, so I'm gonna chop it off. It's just crap. Okay, so there we go. We have the upper section of the frame. So now I'm just gonna make the lower parts that are gonna attach to the bottom of the rocker. So I'm just gonna make some flat irons that go here and bolt up like this. And let's go! Burnt my shoelaces up while welding, but I've got a simple solution for that. Huh. Better than you. Perfect. Okay, there we go. Frame. Perfect. Now I'm gonna drill some holes in the rocker and use these to attach them. It's like a blind nut. You drill the hole, screw this in here, plug it in, yank it, and then it kind of crimples up and attaches. So then you can bolt stuff to it. Let's drill some holes. So there we go, got some holes. I'm just gonna kind of wish I went to the gym a little bit more. Oh shit. Yeah. Frame mounted. Sturdy as hell. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wrap this thing in sheet metal. If this isn't fits like a glove, I don't know what is. I'm just gonna wipe it down with some thinner first, and then put some primer on it. Look bloody damn awesome. I know some of you are gonna hate it, but Looks brilliant. Yes. This looks kind of wonky. What I'm gonna do is make a piece that goes down to like here, something, and connects, and I am gonna bolt it from the underside. And the same in the back, so I'm just gonna do a piece that goes like this. But it looks kind of cool. Yes. It looks brilliant. I forgot, some jackass forgot to fix the rust in this area. So that jackass is gonna fix that rust. There. Perfect. Brilliantly fixed. Not at all shoddy and half-assed, but I mean it's almost like factory. If the factory people were drunk. Okay, so now I'm just gonna get this piece in. Some way. Well, just watch me do this. There we go, wide body work finished. I mean, I still got some touch-ups and tweaks and door stuff and everything, but I mean, baseline, we're there. This is kind of where I want it. While you guys haven't been looking, I've done the other side as well. So, see, boing! 2 sides. This is just perfect. So I think I'm just gonna leave you guys there. I mean, we've done a lot of shit today. And by saying today, I mean this last couple of weeks. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. See you next time.